Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Plug the Amazfit into power until above 20% and power it on. Open the Zepp app on your iPhone and sign in or create an account, then grant Bluetooth and notification permissions so the app can discover the watch. Once done, place the watch near the phone and disable other Bluetooth accessories to reduce conflicts. Now tap Add Device in Zepp and choose your exact Amazfit model. This first step lets the phone and watch see each other and initiate the link. You'll now complete the detailed pairing sequence that secures a reliable sync. When Zepp finds the watch, it shows a pairing code. Confirm that same code on the watch display to prevent wrong device pairing. Make sure to allow Health app access and enable background app refresh so steps, heart rate, and notifications push continuously. Configure time zone, measurement units, and watch face choices in the app. These settings explain why data aligns correctly across devices and avoids duplicate or missing entries. Finish by forcing a manual sync in the Zepp app and confirm steps, sleep, and heart rate data appear in the iPhone Health app. If syncing stalls, restart both the watch and your iPhone, then reopen Zepp and try pairing again. Repairing clears most stale connections. Make sure iOS Bluetooth is enabled, Zepp has required permissions, and both devices run current firmware. One key tip: if notifications don't arrive, revoke and re-grant notification and Bluetooth permissions, then toggle background app refresh off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.